Hello everyone, my name is Samyak Singhvi and my roll number is 21MI33018. For my DIY assignment 2, I have made this fire alarm system using TinkerCAD software. I have used the following components: one Arduino R3 board, one temperature sensor, one gas sensor, one blue LED, one piezo, two 1 kilo ohm resistors and one breadboard. I have made the following connections as you can see in the screen. In this, the red wire is power wire, green wire represents the ground wire, blue wire represents the input wire, and orange wire represents the output wire. For logic, I have written this code. I use some variables such as temp, vout, vout1, LED, gas sensor, and piezo. This vout and gas sensor are for output of temperature sensor and gas sensor respectively, and I have set the LED and piezo buzzer as output taken from Arduino board. I have written the following code in a loop such that first the Arduino takes the output from the temperature sensor through A1 and it will convert the temperature in degrees Celsius. Now, if it is greater than or equal to 80 degrees, then the LED will glow, otherwise it will not glow. And as for gas sensor, if its value is greater than equal to 100 degrees, then this piezo buzzer will start buzzing, or otherwise it will not make any noise. For every loop, it will print the values of temperature sensor and gas sensor. Now let's run the code and start the simulation process. We can see that the initial temperature of temperature sensor is 24.78 degrees and gas sensor is 85 degrees. Now, if I increase the temperature of this sensor more than 80 degrees, then the light glows as you can see, and if I decrease it, then the LED will not glow. Now, if we bring the smoke near the gas sensor, then we can hear the buzzing. And if I take it away, then the buzzing stops. So this was my project. Thank you.